बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your social studies class. Let's start our studies. Okay, my dear students, all of you open page 15 in your books. Hurry up, all of you open page 15. Okay students, on page 15 we have exercise A and exercise A is look at the pictures below. आपने इन पिक्चर्स को गौर से देखना है. मैच द करेक्ट नेम टू ईच पिक्चर. फिर आपको ये नेम्स लिखे हुए नज़र आ रहे हैं. आपने टीचर्स की हेल्प से आपने क्या करना है कि नेम्स को इन पिक्चर्स के साथ मैच करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस इज़ टॉवल, कॉम, सोप, toothpaste, nail clippers, handkerchief. Repeat with me: towel, comb, soap, toothpaste, nail clippers, handkerchief. Okay students, so what is this? Tell me. Yes, very good. This is soap and I have matched soap with soap. You have to match it by using ruler or scale. Okay students, this is soap. And what is this? This is handkerchief, rumal. This is handkerchief. You have to match it with the spelling of handkerchief. This is handkerchief. Match it with handkerchief. Very good. Now this is toothpaste. This is toothpaste. Match it with toothpaste. Hurry up. Very good students. And now what is this? This is nail clippers. You have to match them with nail clippers. Okay. Match them with nail clippers. And this is towel. Match it with towel. And this is comb. Match it with comb. I am repeating again. Where is towel? This is towel. Where is comb? This is comb. Where is soap? This is soap. Where is toothpaste? This is toothpaste. Where is nail clipper? This is nail clipper. Where is handkerchief? This is handkerchief. Very good. Okay students, now come to exercise B. This is exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1 is I use dash and dash to wash my hands. I use dash and dash to wash my hands. आप अपने hands को wash करने के लिए क्या use करते हैं? Soap and water. Soap and water. आप soap और water को use करते हैं. Number 2 is I use dash to cut my nails. आप nails को cut करने के लिए क्या use करते हैं? I use nail clipper. What do you use students? Yes, tell me. I use nail clipper. Very good. Number 3 is I use a dash to keep my nose clean. I use a dash to keep my nose clean. आप अपनी nose को clean रखने के लिए क्या use करते हैं? I use handkerchief. What do you use? I use handkerchief to keep my nose clean. 4 is I brush my dash in the morning and at night. I brush my dash in the morning and at night. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Very good. And number 5 is I dash my hair to look neat. I comb my hair. What do you do? I comb my hair. Very good. Okay students, I am repeating again. Please concentrate here. I use dash and dash to wash my hands. Yes, tell me. I use soap and water. Very good. 2 is I use dash to cut my nails. I use nail clipper. Very good. I use nail clipper to cut my nails. I use a dash to keep my nose clean. What do you use, students? Tell me. Very good. I use a handkerchief to keep my nose clean. And 4 is I brush my dash in the morning and at night. I brush my teeth in the morning and at night. I dash my hair to look neat. I comb my hair to look neat. Very good, students. Okay, students, now come towards exercise C. Choose the correct answer. We wear warm clothes when it is dash. हम गर्म कपड़े कब पहनते हैं? When it is hot? No. When it is sunny? No. When it is cold? Yes. We wear warm clothes when it is cold. Okay, number 2 is we dash our clothes to make them clean. We brush our clothes? No. We dry our clothes? No. We wash our clothes. हम अपने कपड़ों को धोते हैं ताकि वो साफ़ सुथरे हो जाएं. 3 is when our clothes have been washed and dried, we should dash. जब हमारे कपड़े धुल जाते हैं, साफ़ हो जाते हैं, सूख जाते हैं, तब हमें क्या करना चाहिए? ऑप्शन ए इज़ फोल्ड देम नीटली. उनको फोल्ड करना चाहिए. यस. या उनको ज़मीन पे फेंक देना चाहिए. पुट देम ऑन द फ्लोर. नो. We have to fold them neatly. So fold them neatly is the correct answer. Okay, students. Very good. Okay, students, complete your work in a very neat and clean handwriting. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Okay, students, it's your homework time, and your homework is you have to complete page 15 in your books and then share the picture of your homework in your WhatsApp group. Okay, my dear students, we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.